Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make classic chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo is a classic comfort food with loads of garlic and parmesan. You're sure to love it. It's super easy to make, and I want to show you how to make it step by step. To start off, we're going to cube up about a pound of chicken, which is equal to about 2 chicken breasts. And you can skip this step by simply using pre-cooked chicken. Maybe it's a store-bought rotisserie. Today we are using fresh chicken, and I'm cutting it into about 1-inch cubes, bite size. I prefer cubing, but you can also cut it into thin slices. Once you've got your chicken all cut, we're gonna head to the stove. To start, we're gonna get about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan heated up over medium-high heat. Once you feel that heat coming off, go ahead and add in your chicken. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to give that a good stir and brown that chicken up, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes, and now we're going to remove it from the pan. Remove that pan from the heat, leave those drippings in there, and let's get a pot of water going for our pasta. Make sure to salt that water. We've got our water boiling, and we're going to cook our ½ pound of pasta according to the directions on the package. Our pasta is boiling, and now it's time for the sauce. Let's get our pan over low-medium heat. To start our sauce, we're adding in 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. We're going to whisk this together and let that come to a nice golden brown color. As this browns up, you're going to smell a nuttiness that comes out. That's the flour cooking, and that's a really important step with this process. The roux has reached the golden stage that I'm looking for, and now I'm going to add in 2½ cups of half and half. Make sure you whisk the half and half constantly. And if you don't have half and half in your country, you can definitely use half milk, half cream, or you could also use full cream for a really rich, delicious sauce. I know the original Alfredo recipe doesn't have cream in it, but if you want a more decadent sauce, I highly recommend it. It's my preference. Our sauce is thickened up a bit, and we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic and ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk that all together and add in 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. Stir this all together until it's well incorporated. We want the sauce's consistency to be thick enough to coat the back of the spoon. We're going to add in our chicken, give it a good stir, and our sauce is done. Our sauce and our pasta are done, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. See you later.